Hey guys, wanted to come on really quickly, show you just a good drink that I make, kind of a play on a whiskey sour. So what I've done already, I've taken a machino cherry, I've mashed it into the bottom of the cup, including some of the juice, added some lemon. Gonna add a hint of pineapple juice. I'm just eyeballing it. This is my homemade simple syrup. And then last but not least, we're gonna pour in about a shot of whiskey. If I can find a shot glass. I can't really quickly, so just eyeball it. Right. We're going to pour it in over ice. Stick that down. Well shaken. And there you go.